Ready to radically cut your spending? Today, I'll show you how to claim a $100 coupon bundle on Temu that can drastically lower your bill. Start by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on your screen. This simple action redirects you to a special offer page where a $100 coupon code is automatically applied to your account. If you haven't already downloaded the Temu app, don't worry. It's free and only takes a minute to set up. Once you open the app, you'll see the $100 coupon bundle waiting in your account, ready to be used on your very first purchase. Users have reported that combining this coupon with ongoing sale offers can sometimes result in savings of up to 85% on select items, turning a regular shopping trip into a major bargain hunt. The setup is designed to be effortless. The coupon code is preloaded, so you don't have to input anything manually. Instead, you simply enjoy the benefits and watch the discount apply instantly as you shop. This coupon isn't just a one-time deal. It often works with multiple promotions during holiday events or flash sales. Imagine using this coupon on everything from electronics and clothing to home decor and more. The savings add up quickly, so why miss out on such a great offer? Click the link or scan the QR code now and activate your $100 coupon bundle on Temu. If you find this hack useful, subscribe to the channel for more exclusive deals and money-saving tips. Get ready to shop smart and save big.